Yes, hello dear students. This is second part of guarantee. I hope the question in the previous video we did question number 27. That question was based on guarantee given to a particular partner by remaining partners in the old ratio. I hope you are getting the concept of guarantee. Guarantee means we are giving a surety to a particular partner, especially new partner. He is joining our firm on a particular condition. So today we will be doing the second case, guarantee given to a particular partner by remaining partner in the specific ratio, and we will be doing third case also, when guarantee is given by only one partner to another. So we will try to cover these two cases in this lecture with the help of NCERT question. So let us read question number 28. You can also open page number 108 of NCERT, question number 28. Pinky and Deepthi and Kaku. There are three partners, Pinky, Deepati and Kaku, sharing profits in the ratio of 5:4:1. Kaku is given a guarantee that his share of profit in any given year would not be less than 5,000. So who is a guaranteed partner? Kaku is a guaranteed partner. And deficiency, if any, would be borne by Pinky and Deepti equally. So deficiency will be borne by them equally. While what is their ratio? Ratio is 5:4:1. So how this question is different from this? In this, the ratio in which they will be sharing deficiency was not given to you, but here the ratio in which they will be sharing deficiency is given to us as, yes, what is the ratio? Ratio is equal. Profit for the year amounted to rupees 40,000. You are required to record necessary journal entries in the books of the firm showing the distribution of profit. So in this case we are required to pass the journal entry. But along with journal entry, we will be making the format of profit and loss. We will be showing this in the profit and loss appropriation account. So first I will show you how to show this in the format of profit and loss appropriation account. So let us start. This is question number 28. Page number of NCERT, page number 108. NCERT's numerical. So let us do some working before doing this numerical. What sort of working is required? I told you in the previous video what are the steps involved to solve this guarantee question. Step 1 is you will divide the available profit among all the partners in the agreed ratio, in the given ratio, after all appropriation. So here also in this question no appropriation is given to you, so we'll divide the profit. And step 2 will check whether guaranteed profit is less than or profit is whether profit share is less than guaranteed profit or profit share is more than guaranteed profit. I repeat, in the first case you will simply divide the profit in the profit sharing ratio, and in the second step you will check whether the share of profit which a guaranteed partner is getting is less than guaranteed profit or it is more than guaranteed profit. If it is more than guaranteed profit, then we don't have any problem. Normally this happens in real life situation. If suppose you got a guarantee of at the time of buying that particular product, if you are not facing any problem while using that product, then the guarantee will not be exercised. But if suppose continuously you are facing a problem, then the problem will arise. Same problem here also. So if the profit is more than guaranteed profit, then we'll give the excess profit, whatever profit, actual share of profit is there. But if actual share of profit is less than the guaranteed share of profit, In that case, the deficiency is to be recovered by remaining partners, and this we need to see the condition in which ratio. In this case, it is to be borne by remaining partner in a particular ratio. So you are giving two ratios in this. So let us write the briefing of this question. Three partners are there: Pinky, Deepthi and Kaku. They share profits in the ratio of 5:4:1. It means Deepthi, this is Deepthi's share, Pinky's share, Deepthi's share and Kaku's share. And the profit which is earned by the firm is 40,000. And who has been given guarantee? Kaku has been given a minimum guarantee of minimum profit of rupees 5,000. So let us divide the profit first. This is our profit and loss appropriation account. Debit, credit, particulars, amount, so the first content will be by net profit brought down. How much profit is earned by the firm? Firm is earning a net profit of 40,000. So let us divide this profit to profit transfer to partners capital account. And who is giving guarantee? Both are giving guarantee. Guarantee is to be given by Pinky and Deepthi equally in the equal ratio. So their profit sharing ratio is different from the ratio in which they are sharing this loss. This is second case, second type of guarantee. So let us divide Pinky's capital. How much Pinky will be getting? 5/10 into 40,000. Pinky's share will be 5/10 into 40,000. This will be, yes, 20,000. So Pinky will be getting a profit of 20,000. Then next leave one line. After that, let us write Deepthi's capital, Deepthi's share of profit. Deepthi has a share of 4/10. So 4/10 of this will be 16,000. I hope this is clear to you. And the next share is Kaku's share. So how much share Kaku is getting? Leave one line. Kaku's capital. Kaku is getting 1/10 into, let me write Deepthi's share here, 4/10 into 40,000. This will be 16,000. Kaku's share 1/10 into 40,000. So this will be 4,000. So the guaranteed profit is 5,000 while the actual profit is 4,000. So there is a deficiency of rupees 1,000 which is to be borne by Pinky and Deepthi equally. Equally means 500 will be borne by Pinky and 500 will be borne by Deepthi. So I hope now you can easily write. We can write here less deficiency borne, B-O-R-N-E, borne for Kaku. How much? It will be 500. So finally Pinky will be getting 19,500. Here also less deficiency Bond for Kaku. Again this is also 500 because they are dividing this loss equally. It is as per the numerical, as per the partnership deed, 15,500. Now next, she will be, whatever they are giving, this Kaku will be getting all these. Deficiency recovered. Here we will be writing deficiency recovered, but here we will be writing deficiency borne. Recovered by Pinky. So deficiency recovered by Pinky is 500. Deficiency recovered by Kaku is 500. So total, if you add these three, Kaku will be able to get how much? 5,000. So this is the division of total profit. So I hope how to divide the profit in case of guarantee must be clear to you. Now let us do the journal entries in this particular numerical. Let us draw the format of journal entry. First, always see the question till last point, because sometime in the last they used to mention you are required to pass journal entries. So let us start. Journal. This is your particulars. This is serial number. LF, debit amount and credit amount. Yes. So yes. So the first entry will be, you can pass this entry also, transferring profit to profit and loss appropriation. First entry can be this. So what is the entry for transferring profit? Profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. How much profit you are transferring? We are transferring a profit of 40,000. So I hope the journal entry for this must be clear to you. We are transferring net profit to profit and loss appropriation account. Now being net profit transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Now second entry will be same as per our step 1. What is our step 1? We are dividing the profits. So let us divide the profit. So what is the journal entry for dividing profit? Again we will apply the golden rule of capital. We want to give this to the partners. So increase in capital means credit. Profit and loss appropriation account debit to. How many partners are there? There are 3 partners, Pinky, Deepti and Kaku. To Pinky's capital, to Deepti's capital, then to Kaku's capital. So we are dividing 40,000 in the ratio was, what was the ratio? 5:4:1. So it was 20,000 we are giving full profit without using any guarantee right now, being profit divided among the partners in the profit sharing ratio, which is 5:4:1. Yes. Now the third journal entry. Now third journal entry is very critical, because here will be, this is the main journal entry also, because here we'll be giving guarantee to Kaku, and this guarantee to Kaku will be given by Pinky and Deepti. So you know the rule of capital account. Now in this case we want to increase capital account of Kaku, and while we want to decrease capital account of Pinky, and we want to decrease capital account of Deepti. So let us frame journal entry for that also. So Pinky's capital account debit, and Deepti's capital account debit, to Kaku's capital account. In this way, Kaku's capital account will increase and Pinky's capital decrease, Deepti's capital will decrease. So what is the amount of guarantee which they are giving to Kaku? This is 500. 500 is given by Pinky and Deepti, and 1000 total is received by Kaku. So 500 here, 500 here, and 1000, being deficiency on account of profit is recovered by Pinky and Deepti in equal ratio. So I hope this numerical must be clear to you. So whenever such type of numerical comes, you need to read the last line. See, I have made both these things just to give you extra practice, but otherwise you are not required to make this ledger profit and loss appropriation account as well as this journal. Either of these two will be asked in the exam. So you need to be very careful what is being asked to prepare. Now let us do one more numerical, which is the third type. Third type is when guarantee is given to when guarantee is given by only one partner to another. So single partner is giving guarantee to another. Here we have seen that two partners were giving guarantee, but in this case single partner is giving guarantee to another. So for that, let us see question number 29 of NCERT's book, page number 108. Abhay, Siddharth and Kusum are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. Kusum is given minimum guarantee of 10,000 as per the share in the profits. Any deficiency arising on that shall be met by Siddharth. So while there are three partners, Abhay, Siddharth and Kusum, and who is a guaranteed partner? Kusum is a guaranteed partner. Guaranteed partner means Kusum is getting a guarantee, and who is giving guarantee? Siddharth is giving guarantee. So minimum amount of profit is 10,000. Profit for the year ended 31st March 16 and 17. So 2 years profits are given to you 40,000 and 60,000 respectively. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So in this case you need to prepare 2 years profit and loss appropriation account. So let us start. So let us prepare the first year. First year is 2016. This is question number 29. Yes. NCERT page number 108. So let us do the first step. In the first step, profits of the firm for 2016. So let us write it here. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2016. So you can easily write particulars amount, debit and credit. Yes. So first of all, by balance brought down or by net profit brought down, by profit and loss, all are correct. 40,000. This is our net profit. So in the first case, the ratio, profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. So let us divide the profit in the ratio of 5:3:2. And what are the name of the partner? Abhay. To profit transfer to partner's capital. First of all, we'll write Abhay's capital. How much profit Abhay will be getting? Abhay will be getting, this is 5/10 into 40. 5/10 means 20,000. Abhay will be getting 20,000 profit. And see how much Siddharth. See, Abhay is not giving guarantee, so we can directly write here Siddharth's capital. Siddharth's share is 3/10. So 3/10 of 40,000 will be 12,000. And he is the one who is giving guarantee to the third partner, Kusum. So we'll leave one line. Kusum's capital. How much Kusum will be getting? 2/10 of 40,000. This will be 8,000. What was the guaranteed amount? Guaranteed amount was 2,000. So we'll directly write here less deficiency bond for Kusum rupees 2,000. And here we'll add 3 partners. Clearly you can underline this. Add deficiency recovered by Siddharth 2,000. So this will be added. So finally 20, he will be getting 20,000. And here it will be 10,000. And it will be 10,000 here also. So 20, 10, 10. So finally 40,000 here and 40,000 here. So I hope the first part is clear to you, because in this case we were having insufficient profits and the Kusum is unable to get the satisfactory amount, which was 10,000, minimum guaranteed profit, which was 10,000. So who has recovered the loss? Siddharth has recovered the loss. Single partner is recovering the loss. Now let us prepare profit and loss. Profit and loss let us write in full. Appropriation account in the same format for the year ended 31st March 2017. By balance brought down. This is your net profit. How much net profit in the second year? It is 60,000. Let us divide this. You can make the format to profit transfer to partners capital account. Again 3 partners, Abhay, Siddharth and Kusum. Abhay's capital, Siddharth's capital and Kusum's capital. Their profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. So 5/10 of 60,000. So here Abhay is getting 30,000. Siddharth 3/10 into 60 will be 18,000. And last Kusum 2/10 into 60, which is 12,000. And total is 16. This is 12,000. So can you tell me how this case is different from this case? In this case, you don't have to recover the deficiency to Kusum, because actual profit here, actual profit share of a guaranteed partner is more than minimum guaranteed amount or minimum guaranteed profit. It was 10,000, guarantee was given for 10,000, while the actual profit is 12,000. And here he was getting only 8,000. So I hope these 3 numericals, 27, 28, 29, all these 3 numericals are able to cover your 3 cases of guarantee. Guarantee given to a particular partner by remaining partners in the old ratio, guarantee given to a particular partner by remaining partner in the specific ratio, and third is when guarantee is given by single partner. So can you tell me what will be the journal entry here? Yes, let us do the journal entry. First journal entry for transferring the profit and loss, account debit to profit and loss appropriation 40,000. Then journal entry for dividing the profit, that will be profit and loss appropriation account debit to Abhay's capital, Siddharth's capital and Kusum's capital. Then third journal entry will be for guarantee. So whom will you debit? Will debit Siddharth's capital account debit to Kusum's capital. This is 2,000. 2,000 is being recovered. So I hope these questions are clear to you. Now I think you will be able to do all numericals of NCERT plus TS Grewal. Now I will be doing 1 or 2 numericals more based on guarantee. Then we will switch over to the next chapter, which is goodwill. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.